Can a regional bank mobile app really compete with the big guys? That's the question we're answering today as we dive into a full usability review of the Patriot Bank mobile app. In an age where your bank is literally in your pocket, the app experience is everything. We're not just looking at features, we're scrutinizing the experience. Is it fast? Is it intuitive? Can you actually get your banking done without a headache? Patriot Bank, with its regional presence, is offering a mobile experience that promises convenience with their hands-on banking approach. We're putting that promise to the test across three key areas: login and navigation, core functionality, and user experience. First up, login and navigation. Security and speed are crucial here. The app offers secure options like fingerprint ID and face recognition, which is a big plus for fast access. Once you're in, the main dashboard is clean, showing all your accounts at a glance. Transferring funds, checking balances, and accessing bill pay are all clearly marked, usually within a single tap from the home screen. It gets high marks for simplicity and logical layout. You don't have to hunt for what you need. Next, let's talk core functionality. This is where most banking apps live or die. Patriot Bank covers all the essentials. Mobile check deposit, it's seamless. The camera function correctly autofocuses and captures the check clearly. Processing times appear standard for the industry. Transfers and payments, transfers between accounts are fast, and the bill pay feature is straightforward, allowing you to schedule recurring and one-time payments easily. Card controls, a standout feature here is the ability to enable or disable your debit card instantly, set spending limits, and customize alerts. A fantastic security layer that's conveniently embedded in the app. Finally, the overall user experience and extras. The app has a solid, modern feel. The recent updates have clearly focused on user interface improvements, which is reflected in a snappy and bug-free performance. A small but appreciated extra is the built-in ATM and branch locator, which is particularly helpful for a regional bank. They've also integrated digital wallet capabilities like Apple Pay and Google Pay, ensuring you're connected to the latest payment tech. While the interface is clean and functional, some users have noted that the session timeout can be quite short, forcing frequent sign-ins, which is a minor frustration but something to be aware of. So, what's the verdict? The Patriot Bank mobile app is a genuinely strong performer. It's fast, feature-rich for everyday banking, and importantly, it's easy to use. It successfully bridges the gap, offering a modern, intuitive experience that you'd expect from a major institution, all while maintaining that local bank access. If you're a Patriot Bank customer, or considering becoming one, the mobile app is definitely an asset. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.